KL2pro free Robux Roblox app. The pros, the cons. If you're hunting for free Robux in Roblox, KL2pro might seem like a shortcut. Most people get this wrong by assuming free Robux apps are legitimate, but here's the surprising truth. Pros. The app may claim to offer access to promo codes or rewards, and the interface is usually simple to navigate. Few users enjoy exploring codes or offers, though results are inconsistent. The cons. The reality is that most free Robux apps are scams. They often require personal information, survey completions, or app installs that don't reward you. Roblox officially warns against using such generators as accounts can be banned or compromised. Security is a serious risk, and there is almost no guarantee of legitimate Robux. In short, the pros are minor exploration fun, while the cons are high risk of scams, unreliable codes, and potential account issues. The takeaway: KL2pro free Robux app is not recommended for safe gaming rewards. Stick to official Roblox channels for promotions and purchases to avoid risk. If this review helped, like and subscribe for more gaming app insights.